We often think eating healthy is all about what we eat, but sometimes it's actually about how we combine our foods. Even nutritious meals can turn harmful when mixed the wrong way. Certain combinations can slow digestion, block nutrient absorption, or even create toxic byproducts that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. These mistakes are surprisingly common, and the worst part is, you might be making them every day without realizing it. Let's count down 5 food combinations that can quietly harm your body and how to fix them before they take a toll on your health. Number 5. Fruit and yogurt. It looks like the perfect healthy breakfast, a colorful fruit and yogurt bowl topped with honey and granola. But depending on how it's made, this combo can actually upset your digestion and cause bloating. Here's what happens. Fresh fruit digests very quickly, while yogurt, especially if it's thick or high in protein, takes longer to break down. When they're eaten together in large portions, the fruit can start to ferment behind the slower digesting dairy, leading to gas, acid buildup, and discomfort. This becomes worse when the fruit is canned or sweetened, since added sugars feed fermentation even more. Many commercial fruit yogurts contain syrupy fruit mixtures that are high in sugar and preservatives. That's what causes most of the digestive upset, not the natural fruit itself. According to the Journal of Food Science and Technology, eating foods with very different digestion times, known as improper food sequencing, can delay gastric emptying, meaning food lingers longer in your stomach and makes you feel heavy. If you love yogurt, go for plain or probiotic yogurt and top it with seeds, nuts, or oats instead of sugary fruit. Then, enjoy fresh fruit separately, ideally 30 to 45 minutes before meals, so your body can digest it efficiently and absorb its nutrients without discomfort. And if that surprised you, wait until you hear about a breakfast pairing that almost everyone loves, but can quietly stress your heart and liver. Number 4. Bacon and eggs. It's the classic breakfast duo, protein-packed, filling, and delicious. But when you eat bacon and eggs together, you're loading your body with saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium all at once. That combination can trigger a morning surge of inflammation and oxidative stress, putting extra pressure on your heart and blood vessels. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that high-fat, high-sodium meals can temporarily stiffen arteries and raise blood pressure, even in otherwise healthy adults. Over time, repeating that pattern can make inflammation a daily habit your body struggles to undo. You don't need to give up eggs altogether. They're a great source of protein and nutrients. Just skip the processed meats and pair your eggs with vegetables, avocado, or oats for balanced energy and a healthier start to your day. And speaking of meals that sound harmless but aren't, the next one might be sitting on your lunch table right now. Number 3. Burger and soda. This combo is one of the most common and one of the hardest on your metabolism. A burger is heavy in fat, refined carbs, and protein, while soda floods your system with simple sugar. When eaten together, your body gets mixed signals. Fat slows digestion, but sugar demands quick processing. Your system tries to handle both at once, and that's where things start to go wrong. Instead of burning fuel efficiently, your body spikes insulin to manage the sugar while the fat lingers in your digestive tract. This leads to fat storage, bloating, and sluggish energy that can last for hours after the meal. Research in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that combining sugary drinks with high-fat meals led to a 131% increase in fat storage compared to eating the same meal with water. That means a simple burger and soda lunch can double the impact on your waistline and energy levels. If you love a fizzy drink with your meal, go for sparkling water with lemon or lime instead. You'll still get that refreshing kick without the sugar rush and metabolic chaos that soda brings. And that brings us to a combination many people believe helps with digestion, but it often does the exact opposite. We're halfway through our countdown of the 5 dangerous food combinations that harm your body. If you're enjoying the video so far, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more health videos like this. Let's dive back into the list and see what's next. Number 2. Tea or coffee right after a meal. Many people drink tea or coffee immediately after eating, thinking it helps digest their food. In reality, this habit can block your body from absorbing important minerals from your meal. Both tea and coffee contain tannins and polyphenols, natural compounds that easily bind with minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium in your food. When this happens, those nutrients pass through your system without being absorbed properly. Over time, that can leave you feeling tired, weak, or even anemic, especially if your diet is already low in iron. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that drinking tea with meals can reduce iron absorption by up to 60%, which is significant enough to affect your energy and overall health. To avoid this, wait at least an hour after eating before having tea or coffee. That gives your body time to process and absorb nutrients first. Or, if you enjoy something warm after meals, try herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, or peppermint, which support digestion without blocking nutrients. And finally, we've reached number 1, a combination that looks harmless but can quietly harm your liver, stomach, and overall health if you're not careful. Number 1. Alcohol and painkillers. This combination is more common than most people realize, and far more dangerous than it seems. Mixing alcohol with pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen can quietly damage your liver, stomach, and internal lining, especially if it becomes a habit after social events or stressful days. Both alcohol and these medications are processed by the liver. When taken together, the liver has to work twice as hard to break them down, producing toxic byproducts that can inflame liver cells and erode the stomach lining. That's why people who mix the two, even occasionally, face a higher risk of ulcers, stomach bleeding, and liver damage. The National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism warns that this combination can lead to serious, even life-threatening complications, particularly in older adults whose bodies process substances more slowly. If you've taken pain medication, give your liver a break. Avoid alcohol for at least 24 hours so it can process and recover safely. It's a simple precaution that protects one of the most vital organs in your body. And there you have it, 5 dangerous food combinations that harm your body. Food is meant to nourish, not harm, but the way we combine it can make all the difference. Simple choices, like separating fruit and dairy, swapping soda for water, or spacing out your coffee after meals, can have a huge impact on how well your body digests and absorbs nutrients. Your health is built meal by meal, day by day. Start paying attention to how foods work together, not just on their own. With a few small tweaks, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and more energized than ever. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Which of these food combinations surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if you'd like to support our work, check out our channel merch or tap the super thanks button below. Every bit of support helps us keep creating valuable health content for you.